If you're trying to generate B2B leads but struggling to find the right decision makers, this video will show you a much easier way. Hi, I'm Jason. In this tutorial, I'm going to be walking you through how to find B2B leads using Lusha, even if you have never used a lead generation tool before. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to search targeted prospects, reveal emails, and build a list of leads you can contact for your business. I've included a link in the pinned comment and description, which you can use to sign up and follow along. Once you have tapped on that link, you'll be redirected to a page just like this. And I want you to tap on Account and you'll be able to create your account. Now, what is Lusha? Lusha is a sales intelligence platform designed to help businesses find verified contact information for professionals. Instead of guessing email addresses or manually searching LinkedIn profiles, Lusha helps you discover verified business emails. For example, you can go onto a website. Once on the website, all you'll need to do is simply refresh the page with the steps that I'm about to show you. After refreshing the page, you're going to see a Lusha pop up in the top right hand corner. Once you have tapped on that, you'll be able to see all of the contact information for that particular website. You'll be able to view all of the employees, and you can tap on a particular employee and you'll be able to view a verified phone number if available and also a verified email address. So this helps you to find contact information quickly and also zone down on the best decision makers. This makes it easier to find the right persons faster. Now let's dive into the tutorial. Once you have created your account, you'll be redirected to a dashboard just like this. And the first thing you'll need to do is select Install Extension. After you have done that, you'll be redirected to your web store and you're going to install the extension. After installing the extension, it will automatically open up LinkedIn, and this is where you'll be able to use Lusha to search leads. For example, you could go over to the top left hand corner and you could type in the company name. So I could type in a particular company name right here. After you have done that, you are going to see that it automatically populates. So for example, once you're on the page, you could select View Page. After selecting View Page, you'll tap on the Lusha icon in the top right hand corner. And from there, you're going to see the option All Employees and also Popular Employees. You can select whichever one of these options. Let's say we were to select All Employees. After you have done that, you can filter by seniority. You can also filter by department. Once you're okay with the position that you have found, you can simply tap on it. Then you can tap on Show Detail and you'll be able to see verified information. Another standout feature when it comes onto Lusha, once you have installed the Chrome extension, you can go onto any website. Once on the website, you'll tap on the extension. And after tapping on the extension, you'll be able to view all employees. And again, you'll be able to use different filters to find the right decision makers. And you can filter by seniority again, and you can also filter by department. But that is not all. With Lusha, you could go back into the main dashboard. Go over to the left-hand menu option, select Search, and here you'll be able to also use different filters. You can search by company, you can also search by industry, you can also search by employees. So you're given numerous options how you'll be able to find the best decision makers. Now, let's say for example, your company sells marketing software. Your ideal customer might be marketing directors at SaaS companies. You could apply filters like that. For example, if we were to go over to the left-hand menu option, I could scroll down, select job title. From here, I could type in marketing director for example sake. Let me do that real quick. And I'll simply tap on enter. After doing that, we could scroll down and from there you can see different filters. I'm just going to be selecting industry. And the industry will be software, so I'll type in software right here. I'll select software. You have different filters that you can apply. You could also apply filter, for example, you could filter by location and so on. So you could tap on location and let's say for example United States. After you have done that, all you'll need to do now, you can select a particular contact that you would like to reveal their information, or you could tap right here and you could select all contacts as you can see right there. After selecting the contacts, what you'll need to do next, you can view it, so you could select Show Details. You can choose to show emails and phone numbers or show emails only. After tapping on show emails only, from there you'll be able to see the email information. If I were to select it, as you can see right there. This is extremely helpful because you don't have to guess email formats or search manually. Simply click the contact you want and reveal the information. Now once you have done that, the next step is to save leads to a list. To save leads to a list, you'll select action, tap on add to list. After selecting add to list, you'll tap on create a new list. And from here, you can name your list. For example, you could name it SaaS Marketing Leaders or so on. You can create different lists. I've already had a few lists created, so I can select a particular list that I would like to push these contacts to. I'm just going to tap on continue. After you have tapped on continue, the next thing you'll need to do is export or use leads for outreach. So you'll go over to the left-hand menu option and you're going to tap right where you see engage. After selecting engage, from here you're going to tap on new sequence. Once you have selected new sequence, you're going to tap on email templates, or you can tap on create from scratch. Let's say for example we were to select create from scratch. After selecting create from scratch, this is where you'll be able to type out your email. If it is a case that you selected email templates, you can see different templates that you can use. Let's say we were to select outbound outreach. We'll select that and we're just going to tap on customize template. After selecting customized template, you can tap on the pencil and you could add in your own personal touches. You could also choose to send a test email if you want. Once you're finished doing that, you could scroll down and you could edit email too, and you can also edit the particular day that it will be sent out. So you could tap on the pencil icon and from here you can see send this email 3 days after. You could tap right there, and for example if you like to send it 2 days after or even longer, you can edit that also. Once everything is to your liking, you'll tap on add contacts, and from here you're going to add from your list. After you have selected your contacts, you'll tap on add contacts, as you can see right here. Once you have added the contacts, the next thing you'll need to do is tap on set schedule. So you're going to tap on set schedule and you can choose the date and time that you would like to start your marketing campaign. Once everything is to your liking, you'll select review and activate, and then you will review the email sequence once more, and you can review the emails how they're set up. Then you'll tap on activate sequence, and just like that, you'll be able to start doing your marketing outreach with B2B leads. That's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. And again, I've included a link in the pinned comment and description that you can use to sign up to Lusha. Thanks for watching.